Bitch.
You said refrigerator.
Well, I meant sandwich.
Oh, well, maybe there's one in this refrigerator. That's crushing my pelvis.
Just get me one.
Josh?
Oh, hey, Drake.
There's a refrigerator on you.
Yeah, it was supposed to be a sandwich. Will you get this thing off of me? It's cold in all the wrong places.
Will you get me into the after party?